Hi guys, I'm Master Lee from the Seat Cover Factory. Our automotive partner wants to replace the old seat covers of their 2006 to 2012 Hummer H3 with our factory's products. Let's take a look at how it will appear after the renewal. First, use a screwdriver to remove the seat cover. Then, take out the nails on the backrest panel to separate the backrest from the foam cushion. Finally, pull out the part tucked into the front side of the backrest, and the entire backrest will be fully detached. Let's try installing the products made by our factory now. Use pliers to tuck the surrounding straps into the foam cushion. Be careful not to damage the foam cushion, as it is very fragile. Once the straps are tucked in, the bottom part of the seat will be fully covered. For the seat backrest, repeat the previous steps. Tuck the straps into the cushion. Then, insert any excess material into the gap between the backrest and the seat pad. Don't forget to secure the straps at the bottom of the seat. We need to make sure they're firmly fixed. Use a screwdriver to tuck the extra fabric along the stitching and a hammer to drive the nails into the preset holes. The backrest panel can also be reinforced with a hammer for a more secure fit. Fasten the corners together. As you can see, there are multiple points that need to be secured. Finally, put the backrest panel back on, and it's complete. This is the finished product. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow us.